Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Episodes. Today we are going to see the recipe of sweet lassi. So let's have a look at the recipe. Firstly, in a blender jar, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and grind this to a fine powder. You can also use powdered sugar. Then add 1.5 cup curd or yogurt. Then goes in a pinch of salt. Then add a drop of rose essence. Just make sure that you don't add more than a drop of rose essence as it will make the lassi concentrated. Then add some water or milk to dilute the mixture. And finally blend all the ingredients together. The creamy frothy sweet lassi is ready to serve. Now take a serving glass. To this add some Gulkand at the bottom of the glass. This is optional. Then pour in the lassi. Garnish it with some almonds and pistachios. Enjoy the refreshing homemade sweet lassi. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.